Hello everyone, this is Manikanta. Hope everybody is doing great in their personal and professional career. I'm going to present an article on the analysis and presentation of IT governance. I came across this really interesting article called The New Rules of Data Privacy by Hossein Rehnama and Alex Pentland. It was published in the Harvard Business Review just last year on Feb 25, 2022. Let me break it down for you. Article summary. The main idea of the article is that the way companies use our personal data is changing big time. People are losing trust in how their data is being handled. Governments are starting to take action, and companies are competing harder than ever for the customers' data. The authors came up with the three basic rules that companies should follow in order to create a value from the personal data HBR. Key findings. Rule 1. Companies need to consistently build trust with their customers. They should explain in simple terms how they are using customer data and what benefits the customers are getting out of it. Rule 2. Companies should focus on extracting insights from data, not just collecting personal identifiable information. Personal identifiable information is the raw data that can identify a person, like their name, email, or phone number. Insights, on the other hand, are processed data that help understand a person's behavior, preference, and rules. Rule 2. Different departments within a company should work together to make sure insights are flowing smoothly. The main goal should be to get as much insight as possible from the data that the customer have consented to share in a way that benefits the customer. Application to module concepts. The article talks about a lot of same things we learned in module 2, like IT governance, data quality, regulatory compliance, cybersecurity measures, and the importance of digital privacy. Let me give you an example how data quality ties into this. Data quality is all about making sure that the data meets the needs and expectation of the people who are using it. It's about checking and improving things like accuracy, completeness, consistency, timeliness, validity, and relevance of data. High quality data is super useful for getting reliable and meaningful insights from data analysis and decision making. One of the biggest challenges with the data quality in the data economy is making sure that the data is collected and processed in a way that is transparent and ethical and that respects people privacy and consent. The article suggests that the company should focus on getting insights from data rather than collecting personal identifiable information. This means using the techniques like anonymization, aggregation, and encryption to protect people identifiable sensitive information while still getting value from the data inside. The Flybits example shows how a company can use contextual data like location, weather, time, and service to give personal experiences to customers without storing personal information. Digital privacy is another big concept from Module 2 that the article touches on. It's all about the right and the ability of individual to control their personal data and information in the digital world. It means respecting and protecting people's choice and preferences when it comes to the collecting. The main challenges with the digital privacy is the data economy and finding a balance between the interests and expectations of people providing data and the companies using the data. It's also about addressing the ethical and social implications of data practices and technologies. The article suggests that the company should take a responsible and ethical approach to digital privacy by following principles like data minimization, purpose limitation, consent transparency, and accountability joined from the FOSS 2020. Flybits is a great example of company that has developed a privacy by design framework. It's a set of guidelines and best practices that makes privacy the built-in and the throughout the entire data lifecycle and value chain. Thank you.